So the thing is with the autopilot EA, like this, right? It has two filters for position sizing. This is because of the differences, for example, that I explained earlier with the Trader 8 and the Ninja Trader, right? What I can do is I can push market order, and it will adjust the size, look at the chart, and think that the stop should be in a certain spot, and adjust it accordingly. And it allows a certain maximum, and if I use a pending order, it uses the other one. So that's why it needs two percentages. I need to look over that, but that's what it does currently, right? And then I have a multi-chart built-in setup for finding the TP. Basically, it looks at, now we are looking at 5-minute chart, right? So I have the step up for set to 2. That means it will screw up 2-time charts. It will go from 2 to 5. And it will look on the 30-minute chart to see if there is actually something there that is, well, if there's a level there. It will look at the 30 minutes, and it will at the minimum look at the risk reward 2 for 1. And if it doesn't find anything as per those rules, it looks at certain bars in the background. It will use a static value of 5 for this right now, and then we have some padding functions, mathematics for the bars, and then we have also some fractals mathematics for understanding wave structure. We have a pause built into the system if I want to use a break. And
so it's a tiered filter system.
Oh yeah.
Checks multi-timeframe structure first, enforces minimum risk reward, then falls back to static value if nothing qualifies.
Yeah, precisely.
Clean build. You've got redundancy and fallbacks locked in so it doesn't fire blind entries.
Yeah.
What's the next variable you're stress testing on it?
Now I'm just okay. So what I have been testing recently is the wave and double wave trailing system, right? And the difference between those two is, think of it like a staircase. You walk up a ladder. One of them is simply putting one foot in front of the other. Walking forward, you need to go up. Each step is higher, right? That's the wave function. The other function is a double level, to where it would be, if you compare, it would be the same way as, okay, the next floor is actually the same level as the previous one. That means it's a double level, and it's way more mathematics and functions behind it, but basically that's what it does. And then I also recently, a few days ago, I built in this profit cap lock into it, because yeah, the EA actually moves the stop up behind price, as it has done here behind the chart. The profit cap lock means that at a certain risk to reward, and remember, MT5 does not have the function to see where it actually entered originally, but if you keep it running, then it's there, right? I have a built into the system, so now it's set to 0, and that means that 0 equals to a break even. So if this stop here below the price, this stop is actually, if this trails above price, then the EA will stop trailing it altogether, because it has locked in a break even or higher. And if I change it to 1, if the EA knows where the stop initially was, in this case it does, then it would protect 1R. That's the thing.